How to put 3 hairs on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can wear 3 hairs on Roblox. It's fast and simple trick, so follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to be on the Roblox website. Open your web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Next, click on the avatar in the left-hand menu, which you will find between Friends and Sandbox option. Tap on it. Then select Head and Body. And from the drop-down menu that appears, you're supposed to click on Hair that you will find between Skin Tone and Classic Heads. Here, you will see your available hairs. Now choose the hair that you want to wear. Click on each hair to equip it, and you will notice that each time you select a new hair, the previous one is removed. And that's normal. Now, if you want to add another hair, let's say you want to add 3 more hairs, simply tap on the hair that you want to add and right-click on it. Now try selecting 3 different hairs that you'd like to add. You can see that the 3 hairs are selected, and just simply reload the page. And now you will see that you will be wearing the hairs that you chose at the same time. So for additional hair you want to wear, you can reload the page and click on another hair again, and you'll have multiple hairs on your avatar. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.